or Paris Mass. Use light, thus without sun, at the parish office. This will be burned and will be used as Ash Wednesday. Ash Wednesday at the old cathedral schedule are follows: 6:30 a.m., 7:45 a.m., and 5 p.m. Ash Wednesday signals the start of the holy season of Lent. The Station of the Cross is scheduled every Friday of Lent after the 5 p.m. Mass. We give special thanks to our Altar Flowers sponsor, Mr. Mrs. and likewise to our parish Marian sponsor, Reyes Castro Family. God bless our benefactors and benefactresses. For more updates and information about our parish, please visit like